When people bring up the word debt, it's almost always met with a negative response. This is understandable as many are unaware that the term good debt actually exists. Bad debt, however, is a different thing entirely. It's this kind of debt that prevents someone from building wealth and in extreme cases, leads someone to going broke or becoming bankrupt. In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between good debt and bad debt, and how bad debt can stop one from building any wealth at all. Good debt versus bad debt. In essence, good debt and bad debt are the same. They're both something you'll have to pay for by increments because you can't afford to pay the purchase in one go. What differentiates the two from one another is where your money is headed towards. Good debt is always headed towards enhancing your personal life and net worth. This encompasses an array of things such as education, your own business, buying a home and real estate. Bad debt, however, is generally described as borrowing to purchase a depreciating asset and doesn't contribute much or any at all to your net worth. This includes purchases like clothes, gadgets, consumables, and sometimes even automobiles.